Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable ChatGPT access for kids using screen time, beginner guides. To disable ChatGPT access for kids using screen time, start by unlocking your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and select Screen Time. If you haven't enabled screen time yet, tap on Turn on Screen Time. Follow the prompts to set a passcode. This passcode will prevent your kids from changing settings. Once screen time is enabled, tap on App Limits. Select Add Limit. You will see a list of app categories. Scroll down and find Social Networking. Select that category. Locate the ChatGPT app in the list. Once you find it, check the box. Tap Next in the top right corner. Set the time limit to 0 hours and 0 minutes. This will effectively block access to the app. Tap Add to save your settings. Now return to the main screen time menu. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this is turned on. Tap on Allowed Apps. Here you can disable apps that you don't want your kids to use. Now navigate back to the main screen time menu. Select Always Allowed. Make sure that only the apps your kids need are in this list. After making these changes, exit out of settings. Your kids should now be unable to access ChatGPT. Regularly check the screen time settings to ensure everything remains as you wish. This will help maintain a safe digital environment for your children. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.